Yo, what's up guys, this is Alias, and in this video I will show you how to make this really cool looking fire logo animation with some sparks on top of it. And it's really easy, we just need the free plugin Saber, which I will put in the description, but otherwise, yeah, let's go. So first, let's bring our logo into our composition. And for this example, let's deactivate this so we can actually see the logo. So just make the background transparent, and now add a new solid layer, which we will be using for the Saber effect, and turn on the opacity to like 10% so we can see through it. And yeah, now just go to the tool, tab and select the pen tool, and just carefully mask out our logo. Just like this, and now we can turn the opacity back to 100 and hide our logo, or the picture of our logo. And now we can go to the effects tab and select the Saber effect and just apply it to this solid. And now we have to go to customize core and change the core type from Saber to text layer, or no, to layer mask actually. And now we can see it follows our the mask that we have just created, and this is really cool. But let's also go to the render settings real quick and change the composite settings from black to transparent, just like this. And now we can actually turn back our background, and now it's just transparent on top of everything. And for this example we will obviously use the fire preset because we want a fire logo. But let's adjust the settings a bit, so turn down the core size to like 2, and maybe turn on the glow intensity a bit, but that's up to you, just like this. And now we already got a cool fire effect. Maybe we want some more going on in there, and for this we can just turn down the start size to 0 or to a quite low value, like maybe 30, like this, and then go to the beginning and place a keyframe at mask evolution at 0, and then go to the end and put like some higher value on this side into it, maybe like 2, and now we can see it just follows a little, maybe you can see it. It just follows a little animation, so it just goes round and round, and this will look quite interesting. And this looks cool, and if you want you can stop now, but maybe you will like some particles like these ones that come out of it. And let's do this real quick. So again, just create a solid and search for particle world and just apply it. And as you can see, we have a lot of work to do in the effects tab. So first of all, change the physics type from explosive to fire. So what this will do, the particles will just go up and twirl a bit. And these are way too many particles, so turn on the birth rate to like 0.1, just like this. And now also go to the producer tab and turn off the X radius just to the whiteness of our logo, just like this, and maybe turn on the Y value a bit, and just bring this down to the bottom of our logo, just like this. And now we got some nice particles. But let's also play with some more effects so it will look more realistic, because this looks kind of 2D and not fitting to the very detailed looking fire logo. So go to particles, go to effects again and select glow, and turn up the radius to like 30% or maybe 20%, just like this. So they will glow a bit. And then let's also add a fractal noise effect. And what this does, it will give the particles more depth, so some will be like a little bit darker and some brighter. So for this, turn up the contrast to like 200 or even higher, however you like. But as you can see, it just killed our nice orange colors. So to bring these back, we can add a tritone effect and just apply it. And for the highlights, select a light orange, just like this. For the midtones, a mid orange, basically. And for the shadows, not black, but kind of dark orange, like this. And as you can see, the fractal noise just gave us a bit more details. But of course we can change the contrast to give it some more, but that's up to you. And what I also like is to add a little bit of Gaussian blur to the whole thing, like maybe 4 or 6. And sometimes what can look cool is to just duplicate this whole layer and remove the Gaussian blur on the upper layer, just like this, and then turn the transparency down on the upper one, just to 50 or something like that. So it's not completely blurred, but a little bit. And yeah, that's it basically, but we can change one more thing if we want. In this example, I made that the sparks just come like out of the top of the logo, so it will not mess with the clean look of the logo. And if you want, we can do this as well real quick, and this is quite simple. So just again create another solid, turn on the opacity so we can see through it for a moment, and then go back to our tools tab, and now just mask the area out that you want the particles to be in the end. So just go around on the top of the logo, just like this, and then just create this field where you want the particles to be. And we can deactivate this layer so we won't see it, but we can use it as a mask. So go to our particles and select the shape layer as a mask on both of these two layers. And why can't we see this? Wait, what is this? Oh, this is just, okay, actually accidentally we created a shape layer instead of putting the mask on the logo, but on the solid, but that's no problem. So let's delete this and select the shape layer on both of these solids. And as we can see, the particles are gone on the logo and are just on top. And this is really cool. And that's it basically. Thanks for watching.